Hi everyone, welcome to this channel again. In this video, we will see how I have taken the positions in Siemens stock this month. I have taken a position and I still have an open position in Siemens for June expiry. I have taken the options. I have sold options. I have sold both the call options and put options in this counter. Let us see how I have taken these positions actually. In the end of May, these 2 days, you can see there is a huge drop of around 12 percentage in the counter. It was down from 3800 to 3300 in these 2 days. The news was that the Siemens has come out of its motor business. Siemens was producing the low voltage motors and they have suddenly announced that they are going to sell this motor business to their parent company, and they are coming out of this motor business, and they said they are going to focus more on the automation part and on the digitalization part. So that was basically a good idea. It was a conscious decision made by the management. And I personally, as I am working in a manufacturing industry, I know how important Siemens is for for any manufacturing industry. They are into the automation, they are into the drives, they are into the digitalization. They are initiating many activities in this industrial revolution 4.0, and this is a clear bet to buy Siemens for the long term. So that was the idea for me with Siemens. But because of this surprise news, the stock was down almost 14 percentage in those 2 days. I felt that this was a overreaction for this news, as the company has made a conscious decision to come out of its motor business, which was making a lesser margin for them, and they have clearly stated that they are going to focus more on the automation part, more on the digitalization part, more on the new digital initiatives. So I felt this was an overreaction. This was a surprise to the market, and the stock was down heavily. So on this day, after this, at the end of the second day or third day, I don't remember exactly, but on this date, I took a position here 2900. I can see a support here, so I sold 2900 put options and 2800 put options. I had a cushion of further 10% from that point. So I sold the options here. I found it at an attractive premium of around 6 11 to 12 rupees, I think. Yeah, and it was asking for a margin of around 80,000. So I found it attractive and I sold. Once I sold, like, fortunately the stock has started to move up again. So these premiums have eroded now, and I am sitting with a decent profit in the put options which I have sold. And once it has come to this point, I found again attractive premiums at 4100. Because of this news, the stock was beaten down heavily, and I had a conviction that in this month at least the stock will not cross its 52-week high. So I took a position, safe position here at 4100. I found the premium a bit attractive at 8 rupees and 9 rupees. It was trading at 8 to 9 rupees at this strike point. So I covered my put options with this call option. So I sold again two lots of call option at 4100. So together I could collect a premium of around 20 rupees or 19 rupees per lot, per pair of lot, and the lot size was 275, and two lots I have taken. For the total margin it has asked was around 2.5 lakhs. So I found it a really a decent and an attractive bet. So I took Siemens, and I still have a open position on Siemens. And the probability, I always see the probability of achieving the profit in any trade using this Sensibull analysis. This is one of the tools I use to assess my positions. And yeah, this is the position. This is how it stands now. The maximum profit potential in these lots in this counter is around 12,000 rupees with a capital of 2.5 lakhs. The margin it has asked was 2.5 lakhs. So 12,000 rupees for capital of 2.5 lakhs within a month. I found it was a decent bet, and it is a high probable trade. You can see the probability of achieving profit in this strategy is around 92% now. So it is very likely that I am going to end up with a profit in this counter. So my break even is at 3055 and 4022. You can see here. So this is far away from the current price, and still have some 12 trading days in this expiry. This is how I have taken the positions in the Siemens stock now, and I am sitting with a decent profit, and I am likely to end up with the profit in this encounter. So this is how I have taken the positions, and for more such positions follow the channel. Thank you for watching.